Hello and welcome to Ms. Shaw's Friday math learning video. We are on lesson 5. Our lesson 5 objective is the student will be able to identify and generate sets using concrete and pictorial models up to 10 and compare them using language such as more, less, equal to. So I'm going to review the vocabulary for this week because today we're going to be talking about more than and less than. So a digit is any number 0 to 9. A numeral is a symbol to show a number. The difference between digit and numeral, digits are any number 0 through 9, but a numeral is a symbol to show a number. So it can be a combination of numbers together, like 117. Compare. Identifying when a number is greater than, less than, or equal to another number. So if you are comparing numbers, you are choosing to look at if they are smaller, bigger, or equal to another number. So greater than is bigger or more than. 50 is greater than 40. Less than is also known as smaller than. It's a smaller number. 20 is less than 30. If the two numbers are equal, you are said to be equal, has the same value. So 4 tens and 9 ones is 49, which is the same value as 49. So they are said to be equal. These are the teaks that we're working with all of this week. Again, please practice subitizing. The more you practice, the easier it will get, and it will greatly benefit your child. There are some subitizing videos you can try. Okay, so getting into lesson 5, once again, we're talking about more means bigger, more red stars than blue, because there are 6, and 6 is more than 2. Less means smaller, less blue stars than red stars. There are 2 blue stars and 6 red stars, so there are less. And equal means that there are an equal number of blue and red. They have the same amount. So for our lesson today, the first thing is going to be kind of an interactive slide for you. So you have to be in this mode where you can see the slides. You can't be in present mode where you can only see the screen like this. You have to be in the mode where you can see the side. Otherwise, it's not going to let you manipulate the slides. So these are the directions. So you're going to pull a number into the middle. So this number is 7. This side says more than. This side says less than. So your job is to compare more than and less than. So your number you're comparing is in the middle. Then you're going to drag 4 color squares that are going to be more than the number 7. So let's look. 7, this side says more than, so it's going to have to be more color tiles than the number 7. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is more than 7. Less than. So let's count them. We're going to have a less number of color tiles than we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is less than 7. Now you can choose any amount of color tiles you want as long as the one that says more than is correct and more than the number in the middle, and the number that says less than number of tiles is less than the number in the middle. So I'm going to show you an example. You're going to take one of our numbers, numerals, digits, into the center by dragging it and dropping it. You're going to read the number. This number is 8. Now I'm going to try to drag the number of color tiles that's going to be more than 8. So I'm going to go until I get to a number more than 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I'm not more than 8, so I have to keep going. Right now, I am equal to 8, so I need to add one more to make more than 8. So let's count them and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is more than 8. Now I need to go on the other side and do fewer than or less than. It doesn't matter how many color tiles you choose as long as it is fewer than or less than 8. So same thing, you're going to drag and drop. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3 is fewer than 8. So that is how you're going to do this, and it's going to reset each time. So you're going to have to put them, I will probably make a duplicate so that you can do this every time and not have to reset them. But in my learning video, I am. And remember, like I said, it has to be in this view, otherwise it's not going to let you move them. Okay, and then your activity, and this can be done on a piece of paper. It says more or less. For each number, color the amount of boxes. Circle the group that has more. So here are your two groups of numbers. So you're going to color the amount of boxes. So here is a 3. So I'm going to color 1, 2, 3 boxes. And then here is the number 5. I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to circle the group that has more. The group that has more is the 5. So on my paper that you would have drawn, I would have circled the group that has 5. That is for 1, 2, 3, 4. These down here says circle the group that has less. Okay, this is more. This one you're looking at which one has less. So the least amount of squares colored. So I would color 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm looking at circling the group that has less. Which group has less, 2 or 4? Right, the group that has 2 has less, so I'm going to circle the group that has 2. That is the group that has less. So that is your Friday learning video. You can do this work on a piece of paper, and the other is a interactive slide, so you don't have to turn that in, but if you want to, that's okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.